In front of me is OnePlus Nord 4, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Then all services, Autofill, Autofill with Google and Google Password Manager. Lastly, select any password that you wish to delete. Enter your screen lock and tap on Delete button twice. As you can see, after that, my password was successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!